Okay, third graders, a lot of you are having some questions on performance task number 6. It says students will work in a collaboration group to determine how to spend $100 on a school garden. They will complete a purchase order from an order form and a graph. Okay, here are your directions. You and your garden team will be given a list of possible supplies for the garden plot. So where's the possible supplies? Hey, look at that. School garden. Here's your supplies. You have a total of $100 to spend for your garden. You will determine which items and how much of each your team would like to purchase. You must select at least one item from each category. You may also look up additional items in the newspaper or online from places such as Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Orchard Supply. These can be added to the charts in the blank spaces. You will need to decide how many of each item you would like for your garden needs. So this was the part that a lot of you had left out. You will need to decide how many of each item you would like for your garden needs. So where is that? That is in the quantity. So this is the quantity item. Quantity, so that's how many. How many of that item do I want? How many of what? Let's see. Maybe we want to have our crops. So these are the things that we want to grow. Maybe I want to make salsa, so I want some cilantro in there. Okay? And so it's $2 or $4. It says the cost per seed or plant. So if I'm getting the seed, then it's going to cost me $2. If I get the already grown plant, it's going to cost me $4. So I can determine how many of those things I want. I need soil and nutrients, things for ourselves as we're out there, and some tools to build our garden and to have it working well. So let's go back to the directions. Use the cost sheet and garden planning worksheet provided to decide which items you will be purchasing. Each team member must turn in a garden planning worksheet with their calculations for scoring. This must be your own work. You will then get approved from your teacher to write your prices into the garden purchase order. You will also complete so that means come check with me after you get this done. You will also complete a pictograph, the garden pictograph showing the cost of the plants your team has selected. Okay.